Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot Traveller. This car comes with a lovely specification. Not only have you got a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices, you've also got Bluetooth, rear parking sensors along with dual zone climate control, as well as cruise control and a speed limiter. Let's take a quick look around the vehicle. Thank you for watching this video. Howard's are happy to tailor your experience with us depending on your current requirements, whether that be a virtual appointment using our Howard's Click and Collect service or our Howard's Home Delivery, or if you would prefer, we still have the traditional appointments to come in and view and drive a car. We look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you very much and have a good day.